Discover the Eureka E20 Plus, your ultimate cleaning companion. Welcome to the future of home cleaning. Meet the Eureka E20 Plus, a robotic vacuum and mop combo designed to make life easier. With its upgraded 8,000 Pascal suction, this vacuum effortlessly tackles dirt and tangled pet hair, ensuring your floors are spotless with minimal effort. Experience advanced LiDAR navigation that mimics human precision. The Eureka E20 Plus intelligently maps your home and avoids obstacles, even in low light. Its AI 3D obstacle avoidance technology ensures efficient cleaning, letting you enjoy a neat home without lifting a finger. This vacuum features a bagless self-emptying station with a massive 45-day capacity, keeping your space tidy without frequent maintenance. Its compatible app control allows you to schedule cleanings and customize settings, giving you full control right from your smartphone. Say goodbye to hair tangles. The Anti-Hair-Tangling Brush design is a game-changer for homes with pets, drastically reducing maintenance time while enhancing cleaning efficiency. Dual brush heads and 10 mm mop lifting ensure all debris is swept into the powerful suction port. With up to 180 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning, the Eureka E20 Plus covers every corner of your home. Its automatic recharging feature ensures it completes pending tasks after recharging, making it perfect for busy households striving for cleanliness. Embrace the ultimate cleaning experience with the Eureka E20 Plus robot vacuum. Transform your cleaning routine and enjoy more free time. Order now to secure yours before they're gone. Only a few left in stock. Visit the product page and revolutionize your home today.